In this video I introduced the concept of the suspension. The suspension is a device for making a chord progression more elaborate. To demonstrate, I'm going to play a chord progression. The first time it's not going to contain a suspension, and the second time it will. So let's see if we can figure out the difference. So in the first example, the two hands changed position and changed chord at the same time. We went from C to G and back. Now in the second instance, the left hand moved to the G, but the right hand stayed with its C chord, as if suspended over the G. Then that suspension was resolved to form the G chord that we expected. So every suspension has a resolution. Let's look at that shape from a different starting position. So we're going to take that C, put it up an octave. Now this is without a suspension, and with a suspension. So again, the bass moves to the G, but the right hand stays suspended on C and then resolves to G. And the last starting position is up here. So without the suspension and with the suspension, for this memorization assignment, you will need to practice the suspension that we just looked at in all three of the starting positions. Now there is a special name for this suspension. It is called a 6/4 chord. That is because if we look at the suspension in freeze frame, we have a G in the bass, and above it we have a C, an E, and a G. And the word 6/4 comes from counting the intervals between the bass and the right hand. So to get from a G up to a C is 1, 2, 3, 4, and to get from a G up to an E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6/4. So this is a 6/4 chord, and what we're doing in this memorization assignment is practicing using it in the three starting positions. F major. The 6/4 chord also works in the minor. So, say we start on C minor and are going to G major and back. We can suspend the C minor chord as the bass moves to G. It then resolves to the G major chord that we expected and goes back. So for this memorization assignment, we do the 3 starting positions as we did in the major, but now we do it in the minor.